Alright, I just came to check on my plants. The broccoli looks fine, although it's starting to turn an odd color. Is that normal? Oh, and this one's coming up real nicely. Okay, good. So it's starting to turn like purplish. This one looks fine, but the bigger ones look like purplish. The spinach is looking fine, I guess. Let's go see what the back plants look like. Ooh, look at them. Okay, okay. Come through colors. Okay, and I see my kale is looking good too. Especially this. Oh my God, it looks so lovely. When can I harvest this? I won't even lie, I don't know. I mean, I know it's not now because these are not even that big. Like my hand, they're not even that big, but I honestly don't know. Do we have, I think I'm gonna pull this up because it just, I don't know, I'll just let it be. But these ones are still extremely small. I don't know. Spinach looking fine. But the collards look so good. I think I planted all colors. Are these all collards? I know over here it's collards because I put the little stick right there. And I'm like, dang, I hope that these were all colors because I honestly do not remember. But all the leaves look the same, so I'm assuming that they are all colored. Yay. Well, that's the only thing, that's the only reason why I came over here, just to check on this stuff. See how it was doing. Greenhouse is looking fine. I put down the landscape fabric, even though my footprints are in there. And I am thinking about, let me switch the camera. Yes, I look a mess, but I'm thinking about actually, I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video, that I'm thinking about actually like putting the greenhouse on. Yeah, I did mention it. Then I put the greenhouse on pallets so it lifts it up. But I'm like, try to cut out the middle. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying, but it makes sense to me. I am going to go ahead and water this stuff because I just touched the soil, and I mean, it's not super dry, but it can use some water. It can use some water, so I'm gonna go ahead and water this. Ambrose don't get no broccoli.
It's only 3 of them.
Exactly. Me, Sally, and Naya. None for Ambrose. None for Ambrose.
I'm waiting for it.
Hater.
Being a crown is just a broccoli.
They are crowns.
Yeah.
Broccolini is crazy.
Yeah, it is 4. So 2 from me. Haters. Hey, sir. But anyways, you guys, that's all I have for today. A nice short video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye.